a wide margin on what you're allowed to get the points. So that's Nessie's nest. You'll notice it's a large black tarp, and on top of that's that rectangle, which is actually a cement rectangle. And at the bottom of it, there's a heating element with also another temperature sensor, so they can kind of tell what the temperature is supposed to be. So it looks like they're bringing the Nessie egg up. I can't tell. No.
I think they already did that.
They already brought it up.
Either that or else they dropped
The
it.
Nessie egg's about the size of a volleyball.
Rotate the claw. Can you rotate the claw this way?
There we go.
There's a temperature.
So there's the temperature gauge, and you'll see some of the lights are lit up. The red side, I think, is the most significant bits for those that care. The blue side is the least. So now they're going to look at it and jot down the...
So what number do you see there?
I just see a bunch of lights.
So you see because the red is that's the most significant binary digit.
Yeah, but you want to start from the blue and go
So
backwards.
the blue would be is that the most.
I'll tell you-
Blue is the one if it's lit.
Yeah, if it's
Okay,
lit.
and then there's
But I can't tell which ones are
because
not
in other
lit.
words, the text is right in front of the.
Yeah.
We can't see from here because the text is blocking the.
Yeah.
Yeah, but that's for us. Their cameras
there's
don't see.
text.
Okay, so it looks like nothing blue. And then, I don't know, a couple of nothings and a green.
Red,
a red?
Nothing.
But if I say,
Yeah,
does that
there's
help?
literally clearly I can see it.
3 black, a blue,
You put that
a
down.
blank, a green, a red, and then 4 blanks.
So it's 0, 0, 0,
Is
1,
that 4 or 3?
0, 0, 0, 0, then 1, and then 0, 0, 0. So is that?
Okay, read them out to me. 0, 0, 0, 1,
1,
0,
0.
0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0.
Is that 12?
Oh, that's about a million ten.
No, hold on.
isn't it?
Let's do the math. It's all about the math. Is that 12? It's a million bits. Is there 12 digits? 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right.
What's that?
Any students that can calculate in their head quickly.
All this needs glasses.
One of these is obviously a decimal point because I don't think it's. I don't know if we're allowed to say the degree.
No, don't say nothing. Be
Yeah.
quiet. We can't. Well, we can talk, but you know. It's,
You can all work it out on your own.
But I want to understand this how this converts into binary.
that's what it is.
So what is the baseline? If this is all zero, does that mean
I don't
it's
know,
at 0 degrees centigrade?
but obviously it would have to be there.
Okay, thanks, kids. I just lost the game again.
It'd have to be
If
there.
you guys don't know what the game is, I'll explain it to you at some point.
Oh, now there's a close-up.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe that. People in Arizona are just nuts.
So it looks like they're bringing the temperature gauge back up. Once again, there's penalties if they drop something and leave it at the bottom of the pool at the end of the game. So whatever you take down, you want to bring back.
That's right. Penalties for. It's also penalties if you come up to the people that are presenting right now and you tell them that they lost the game. That's a big penalty for that.
And now they're getting in position to fire, see?
Firing. Tone, I got tone. Easy. Steady as she goes. Shh, don't wake up Nessie.
The radio target thing is a. So there's their laser light. So it looks like they're steady, and the RF, the tag thing is really a glow stick, so we'll be able to see it, I think. And once again, theirs is a small torpedo. They get 3 tries. Ooh, look at this.
They have to shoot it.
Is this
they have
the
to
cool
shoot
one?
it from their location. 10 foot out is the hoop, and then 5 feet beyond that is Nessie.
I think Nessie's going to. There it goes! There it goes! Oh my gosh!
Oh, yeah, high and right.
Oh my goodness.
Now they have a couple of spare torpedoes,
Thank
but
God
they're
it didn't
going back
detonate
up.
mass.
They do have,
They're going back up set to get into the torpedo and reload.
and they do have a 30-minute mission, and they're only about 25 minutes into it. So
They have 35 minutes.
35 minutes total.
They're that
5
many-
minute setup. So
Less than that. These guys are amazing. I mean, again, NASA is probably going to hire one of their guys to do a circuit board for us. They've got a form factor very similar to what we're putting to our lunar micro rover, which is going to be in 2012. And these guys are pretty sharp. So we, like I said, they're not normal, but that's okay. We like abnormal people. These kind, because they're so smart. You know, it's really is a. It's a good example for all of you students out there that are watching right now that you could be like them. You could be like typewriter repairmen. And when I use the word typewriter repairman, that is by no means any description of what these guys can do. They are truly incredible, brilliant, possibly high IQs, but more than anything else, they've worked hard, they've done the math, and and we're honored to have them here today. We heard some screaming on the hallways. I thought maybe somebody else tagged Nessie. It's not water. We're doing great, yes, thank you. Awesome. Brenda? Thank you.
Okay, now they're going back for a second shot. It looks like they're lining up again. They've got their laser targeting.
It's like that movie Deep Impact, you know, or was it Armageddon? You only get like one chance to really.
Once again, if you're interested in any of this, on the www.h2orobots.org site, the typewriter repairmen have their tech manual there, and they'll show you
They
how.
fired away, they fired away. Look. Oh my gosh.
Too high. Which
Strike
torpedo
two.
number was that?
Well, it's a first strike weapon, so let's hope that.
Yeah, you only need one hit.
I think that this. I think they've already wait. We'll just wait and see what happens here. But
Anyway, their technical manuals there. They also have put some videos up on Google and YouTube, I think, on their testing of the torpedo. It's really interesting. And like all good things, it's relatively simple, but it's a brilliant simple.
like all good things, like a steak dinner. Steak dinner is a good thing, but you have to eat cow though.
Unless you're a cow.
That's not a bad thing for cow. But one more thing, that also on the website robotics.nasa.gov, you'll find a link to this website that they have today and for the URL. So either way, it's all good. It's all good until somebody robot gets ill. Until that point, we're all having a fun time. We haven't seen any sick robots today. We've seen some pretty sick designs. Like this one's just amazingly incredible. I really wish you could look at the circuit boards. I mean, the kind of workmanship here is what you see at the high end of industry.
What do you think? Should we pretend?
And once again, the dynamics of the team was neat. This is a family team, so it's dad, the uncle, a couple of sons. Actually, they don't have mom on the deck there, but she's part of it. It's just family fun. But imagine, well, you guys know what it's like, and ladies know what it's like when you're working with your dad on a project. It's the task at hand, but it's also all the values you get and
The math that you do.
the math you do.
Okay, hold on. All right. They're getting a target
Little
again.
to the right.
Oh, they have a failure. Oh no. Oh, que lástima. Are they going to try to retrieve it? You going to try to retrieve it?
What it is?
Yeah, woo! Yeah, baby. Take
That
that.
is too much.
Take that, robot.
Now
Take
they're going
that.
to take it to the surface,
Rebuild it?
recharge it, and
All
get
right.
it to go because they still have time to fire.
That's what I'm talking about. I tell you what, if they can't hit this target like this, I'm kind of surprised because these guys are so meticulous in their work, and they plan, they practice. It's it's going to be pretty hard.
We're at 27 minutes.
Yeah, we think there's about 8 minutes left in this mission, so they've got plenty of time.
8 minutes.
plenty of time.
It takes 8 minutes for light to get from the sun to the Earth. And so just think of all the protons and hydrogen molecules.
They're at 27 minutes and 2 seconds, as you can see the clock running.
You said they
there,
got about 8
so-
minutes.
Oh, yeah.
So they got 8 minutes, right?
I forgot.
Yeah.
So just imagine right now you're on the sun. You're part of a helium atom that just exploded. It came out of the fusion mechanism. Now you're flying towards the Earth at speed of light, 186,000 miles per second, or 3 times 10 to the 8th meters per second. And 8 minutes later, when this match is over, that light, those particles will have hit the Earth. I thought you should know that. No, the speed of light is 186,000 miles per second. But the particles, I don't know which
Okay.
ones.
By the way, those that are looking in here, you'll see that the auditorium's pretty full. We have family, friends, team members, strangers, and probably a few people here that just came out of the heat.
You put me on the
We
deck.
also have an overflow room, so there's other rooms as this room fills up.